Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another video. In today's guide I'm going to show you a VPN application that can help improve your connection by adding an extra layer of protection while you're using the internet. This app is available on the Google Play Store and is simple to set up. On this channel, we share apps and guides that focus on online security and better browsing experiences, so you're very welcome here. To get started, open your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. Once you're there, search for TMTunnel VPN. From the search results, select TMTunnel VPN Fast and Secure VPN. Make sure you check the app name and icon, then install it on your device. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you're new to this channel, take a moment to subscribe and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. When the app opens, you'll need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the three-line menu icon. From the options shown, select Online Update. This allows the app to update its resources so it can work properly and provide a stable connection. Once the update is done, move to the Server section. For this guide, I recommend leaving it on Auto Select Server. This option allows the app to automatically choose the best working server for your location without manual selection. Next, go to the Network Settings and choose All Country UDP. UDP works in many supported regions and is commonly used for stable and fast connections. If you ever need to change it, you can do so. But for this guide, All Country UDP is recommended. After that, you'll need to add connection time. Tap on the button where you see time left and add the required time. This step is important because if the time runs out, the app may stop working. Once everything is set, tap on the Start button. The app will begin connecting and your connection will be established. That's how you can set up TMTunnel VPN to use while browsing online. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.